My name's Ben Cod, and I'm about to go watch people crush cars like that. Oh, Mum, the door opens.
Uh-oh.
Oh. No, I didn't. Sir, do you need medical attention? Okay. Alright, so today I'm going to go watch people get crushed by cars or cars crushing people. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Click play? Yeah. Alright. Let's get a good background. Let's get the metro point. But English. Before I go watch big trucks crush other little cars like that. Yeah, like my replay. Oh, it's updated. It said get my computer's waiting for Windows. Alright, it's ready. Oh, ew. You want a hug?
Get away!
Is this what cocaine addicts do? Now it's kind of clean. That was dustier than Hillary Clinton. Yeah, look at me being chotchy and shit listening to Girl from LA. Frank, you nailed this one. What the fuck? I had glue track at the bottom of the camera to hold up there, and the camera was so fucking heavy. Now, let me explain. The reason I'm looking chotchy and shit, I'm good, and hope I don't get copyrighted. But I'm actually about to go watch cars crush each other, like I said. But I'm a VIP, you know me. 2,500 subscribers, no big deal. But I gotta upload something. Let me show you guys this. My skit, Why Never the Drink Energy Drinks, is out now. No spoiling. No, cut. No, cut. Oh, it sounds like shit here.
Yeah.
Dragging her. She still got better than the other guy. Guys, that was crazy. I'm trying to whisper because it's late at night. Like 11:30, not too late. I'm gonna stay a minute in this video. But that was fucking crazy. Cars crushing cars like this. Yeah, I know. Funny playback. I know I'm funny. But that was actually awesome. Like, next time go almost jam. Next time you see me back. And it was awesome because we had we were VIPs. We had total access pass. You know, 2.5 subscribers. No big deal. I mean, I'm gonna end this video here. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.